Good morning students. Welcome back in your English class. How are you student? Hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Students, yesterday we have done our hard words and word meaning in our 1 number notebook. Now today we will write our question and answers of chapter number 7 in our 1 number notebook. But first of all, we will quickly revise our yesterday's work. And students, first of all look at our hard words of chapter number 7. Our hard words are caterpillar, beetle, hungry, interesting, quite full, spun, cocoon, knocked, puzzle, magic, believe, surprise, shouted and laughed. Now student, we will quickly look our word meaning of our chapter number 7. Now student, look at our word meaning of chapter number 7. First one is beetle, a kind of insect whose outer wings are also a hard cover for its body. Now student, look at our next word full. Full means add so much that she could not eat any more. Our next word meaning is to her surprise, all of sudden. Now look at our next word meaning spun, made threads out of cotton, wood or silk by pulling and twisting it. Now student, look at our next word meaning puzzled. Puzzled means confused. And number 6 word meaning is shouted with joy, means cried out loudly because she was very happy and excited. Now student, today we will write our question and answers. So take out new page and first of all mention this side today's date and this side today's CW heading. Okay. Now in the margin portion write down chapter number 7 question 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 oblique answer ANSWER answer. Student, write down with me and in very beautiful handwriting. Okay. Now write down our question number 1. And our question number 1 is why could 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 no one ONE1 CSEEC Kira KIRA Kira. Student, Kira is a name, so start writing this name with the capital letter. Okay. Kira, when she sat on a leaf, LEAF, leaf. Now put question. Why could no one see? क्यों कोई भी नहीं देख सकता था किरा को when she sat on a leaf, जब वो लीफ यानी पत्ती पर बैठी होती थी। किरा जब पत्ती पर यानी लीफ पर बैठी होती थी तब कोई उसे क्यों नहीं देख पाता था। तो नाउ टेल मी व्हाई कुड नो वन सी? बिकॉज no one could see Kira when she sat on a leaf because she was the same color as the leaf. So we will write this answer here. Okay. So first of all mention answer A and S answer. Now start writing the answer from here. No one could 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 see Kira. Again we will write this name with the capital letter, okay, because it is a name, okay. Kira because 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 it is not full answer. No one could see Kira when she sat on a leaf because BECAUSE because. Look student, I wrote this portion of our answer from the question. No one could see Kira when she sat on a leaf. Then I add because, क्योंकि she was the same color, COLOUR color, same color as the leaf means कोई भी किरा को नहीं देख सकता था या नहीं देख पाता था जब वो लीफ यानी पत्ती पर बैठी होती थी। क्योंकि बिकॉज मीन्स क्योंकि शी वॉज द सेम कलर, क्योंकि उसका कलर बिल्कुल वैसा ही था एज द लीफ, जैसे कि पत्ती का था। ओके, दोनों ही का कलर ग्रीन था, सो दैट नो वन कुड सी किरा। ओके, नाउ लीव वन लाइन एंड स्टार्ट राइटिंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 विद मी। Hope you would have write this question and answer. Now start writing question number 2 with me. How did Kunal, Kunal, Kunal. Look student, this is the name. So again I wrote this name with the capital letter Kunal. Kunal. How did Kunal see many places? PLACES. Places question mark. How did Kunal see many places? कुणाल ने बहुत सारी जगह कैसे देखी? And the second question is inbuilt in this question. What did he bring? BRING, bring. What did he bring? Back from these THESE, these journey. 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 S. Journeys. Question mark. And what did he bring? और वो क्या लाता था बैक यानी वापस फ्रॉम दिस जर्नी इन यात्राओं से. यानी हाउ डिड कुणाल सी मैनी प्लेसेस. कुणाल ने बहुत सारी जगहें कैसे देखी. और व्हाट डिड ही ब्रिंग और वो क्या लाता था बैक फ्रॉम दिस जर्नीज अपनी यात्राओं से. तो हाउ डिड कुणाल सी मैनी प्लेसेस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी राइट डाउन इट्स आंसर. ओके, सो मेंशन हियर आंसर A and S आंसर. ओके, we will start our answer from here. Kunal, Kunal. Kunal. Look again. This is the name, and also we will start our writing answer from this name. So we will write its first letter in capital letter. Okay. Kunal C. Now look at student. In the question, our helping verb is did. So when we will write our answer, we change our verb into a past form. Here our verb is see and its past form is saw, means dekha. Kunal saw many places, MANY, many places, PLACES, places. Look student, I wrote this portion of our answer from our question. Kunal saw many places. Now we will start our answer. Because, BECAUSE, because. क्योंकि he had wings, WINGS, wings. क्योंकि उसके पंख थे. And could fly, COULD, could fly, और वो उड़ सकता था. कुणाल ने बहुत सारी जगह कैसे देखी. ऐसे देखी कि कुणाल के पास विंग्स थे एंड ही कुड फ्लाई, और वो उड़ सकता था. नाउ लुक एट अनदर क्वेश्चन. What did he bring back from these journeys? Look student, again we find our helping verb did in this question. So again when we write our answer, we change our verb into past form. And we will start our answer from here. He brought, BROUGHT, brought. Student, the past form of bring is brought. He brought back, BACK, back. Interesting, INTERESTING, interesting. Interesting. Stories, STORIES, stories. Student, when we make plural of story, we add IES in place of Y. Okay. He brought back interesting stories. वो लाता था वापस रोचक कहानियां from these journeys, JOURNEYS, journeys यानी यात्राओं से. He brought back interesting stories, वो रोचक कहानियां लाता था from these journeys, इन यात्राओं से. Look student, this part of our answer, he brought back, then हम ऐड करेंगे इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरीज, देन हम अगेन दिस पार्ट लिखेंगे फ्रॉम आवर आंसर फ्रॉम दीज जर्नीज फ्रॉम द क्वेश्चन. ओके, अगेन look again. Kunal saw many places because he had wings and could fly. कुणाल ने बहुत सारी जगह देखी क्योंकि उसके पास पंख थे और वो उड़ सकता था. He brought back interesting stories. वो रोचक कहानियां वापस लेकर आया from these journeys इन यात्राओं से. Okay, now leave one line and write down our question number 3. Now student, we will match our yesterday's homework in our worksheet. So take out your worksheet of PA2. Now student, look at unseen passage 1, that was our homework of yesterday. Okay? Who is Manu's best friend? And according to this passage, Manu's best friend is Aarti. Now, match our question number B. Where is Aarti going in the evening? Aarti is going to Manu's birthday party in the evening. Now student, look at our question number C. What gift Aarti has for Manu? Aarti has big book of stories as a gift. Now student, look, match our question number D, which is Manu's favorite color. And Manu's favorite color is red. Now student, match our question number 2. Write the opposite gender of the given noun by looking in the passage. And the gender of father is mother. Now student, match our question number 3. Write the opposites of following. And the opposite of enemy is friend. And the opposite of happy is sad. Student, we will write these opposites from our unseen passage 1. Now student, look at today's homework, and today's homework is unseen passage 2. Okay, let me explain this passage. Romy is very happy today. Romy आज बहुत खुश है. His summer vacation यानी उसकी गर्मियों की छुट्टियां has started, चालू हो गई हैं, आरंभ हो गई हैं. Papa is taking him first to the zoo. और इन छुट्टियों में पापा उसे सबसे पहले कहाँ ले जा रहे हैं? जू ले जा रहे हैं, चिड़ियाघर ले जा रहे हैं. एंड देन टू द अम्यूजमेंट पार्क. और उसके बाद वो उन्हें अम्यूजमेंट पार्क भी लेकर जा रहे हैं. He has packed his picnic bag with his favorite frisbee and teddy. क्योंकि वो जू में जा रहे हैं पिकनिक मनाने और अम्यूजमेंट पार्क भी जा रहे हैं, तो उसने क्या पैकिंग करी है अपने पिकनिक के लिए? उसने अपने पिकनिक के लिए एक बैग में फेवरेट, उसकी पसंदीदा फ्रिस्बी और टेडी भी पैक कर लिया है, यानी रख लिया है. He tells his mother, वह अपनी माँ से कहता है, टू गिव हिम, देने के लिए उसे, क्या देने के लिए? अ पैकेट ऑफ ईच ऑफ चोको चिप, कुकीज एंड वेफर्स. यानी वो अपनी माँ से हर चीज का एक पैकेट, यानी किस किस का? चोको चिप्स, कुकीज का एक पैकेट एंड वेफर्स का भी एक पैकेट देने के लिए कहता है. Just then, तभी पापा called रोमी. पापा रोमी को बुलाते हैं. It is time to go. और वो क्या कहते हैं? सो जाने का समय हो गया है. रोमी runs down. रोमी ये सुनकर, अपने पापा की आवाज सुनकर दौड़ता है. The stairs, कहाँ पर? सीढ़ियों पर. And slips hard, और बुरी तरीके से फिसल जाता है. He is hurt, उसे चोट लग जाती है. But he smiles, लेकिन वह मुस्कुराता है. And happily sits in the car, और खुशी खुशी कार में बैठ जाता है. क्यों बैठ जाता है? वैसे तो आपको चोट लग जाती है तो आप बच्चे बहुत रोना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं, लेकिन रोमी खुशी खुशी कार में क्यों बैठ गया उसको चोट लगने के बावजूद? क्योंकि वो घूमने जा रहा था और इस खुशी में वो अपनी चोट को भूल गया. लेकिन स्टूडेंट, always remember this thing, that we should never run on the stairs. Okay? So student, this is your homework. Hope you would do its answer correctly. Okay student, till then our next video. Goodbye everyone and take care.